portable drone detection and defense all-in-one equipment with small size and lightweight. It is a comprehensive drone detection and countermeasure management system. When installing the device, user needs to screw the receiving strike antenna to the interface of the main box in the clockwise direction. Same frequency band antenna can be used in both detection and jamming function. The device supports AC power or UPS, and it can be remotely monitored from the TCP/IP interface. 4G or wireless network connection are available as well. After power supply and network cable are connected, turn on the equipment by pressing the Start button. Log in to access the defense system interface. The software interface mainly consists of three functional parts, such as the left side function menu, the lower side function menu, and the right side information display control area. The system would generate and automatically alarm when drones are being detected. The main interface displays information such as the number of drones, model, frequency, direction, altitude, serial number detected by the system aligns with the drone's identification. Meanwhile, the device can carry out real-time positioning and trajectory tracking of the UAV and RC remote controller. User can manually control the jamming frequency band and carry out wide bands jamming or precision strikes measurement against the drones. After the unattended mode is turned on, the system will automatically filter whitelisted drones, where only blacklisted drones will be jammed. Click the Event button to check time of discovery and duration, model, serial number, the drone's identification, frequency, and others. Click the Whitelist button to manage the whitelist for drones. Click the Statistics button to check the drone incident statistics report. Through clicking the Device Management button, user can instantly check and monitor the status.